Summer is here. Everyone wants to enjoy the beach with the clear sky, palm trees, and yellow sand. Long vacations are a challenge for IT teams. But you decided to leave the crowdedness of the city and spend the whole summer at the seaside. Now, you have two options. One of them is to quit your job as an IT engineer who has a great responsibility of keeping all systems up and running. Or, you can get your laptop and use Cisco Meraki, which offers the only solution that provides unified cloud management of mobile devices, Macs, PCs, and the entire network from a centralized dashboard. Brought to you by Over IP. Having the Cisco logo on your product brings you reliability, high availability, investment protection, simplicity, security, intelligence, market leadership, knowledge, and support. In addition to all those benefits, Cisco Meraki solutions bring you incomparable manageability. Traditionally, network management used to be done manually on a box-by-box basis, which was a tedious task that consumed a lot of time and effort. A more efficient way is centralized management, when you have a centralized controller to manage network components of the same type, and usually from the same vendor. A relatively newer approach is unified management, where you can use your controller to manage all your network components of all types. The management controller can exist on the cloud instead of living inside your data center, which provides better accessibility and lowers the maintenance burden. Cisco Meraki combined the benefits of all those approaches and into a centralized unified cloud management solution. Using your Cisco Meraki dashboard, you can manage all of your Meraki network components, including your Layer 2 and Layer 3 switches, your virtual and physical firewalls, your wireless network, your cameras including NVR functions, and your IoT sensors, including statistics and analytics. You can even manage your clients from the dashboard. You can access your Cisco Meraki dashboard from anywhere, and it is the only interface you will need to access. You do not need controller hardware or management software to install and maintain. You will stay protected and up to date with seamless over-the-web firmware and security updates. You can even request a new feature on the dashboard using the Make-A-Wish icon. You will bring sites and remote workers online faster than ever, with zero-touch provisioning. You can gain insight with out-of-the-box application visibility and location analytics. You can isolate and fix issues in minutes with built-in remote troubleshooting tools. You can even open support tickets and request hardware replacement from the dashboard. You can automate workflows, integrate with other technologies, build custom solutions and more with open API services. For more information, please visit meraki.cisco.com.